Hello dear ones, thank you for clicking to watch this video. Welcome to Jackie's Kitchen. My name is Jacqueline Mjala, and as you can see in this video, we will be cooking tripes, commonly known in Kenya as matumbo. It is a delicacy here, and I'll be showing you two ways of enjoying matumbo or tripes. Hello everyone, welcome to Jackie's Kitchen, where we make cooking interesting by simplifying even the most complex of recipes. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my updates. My best secret for tripes is I boil before cutting. So I boil whole, then I cut once they are boiled. It saves me a lot of time because they tend to cook faster and I don't have to deal with the smell of raw tripes. So for this video, I've cut and divided my tripes into two, and I'll be going to show you the two ways to fry. As you can see, they're quite fatty. This is the sufuria I used to boil the tripes. And since I'm too lazy, I'll be using the same sufuria to do the first method of tripes. I'm not going to add any oil to this. I'll use this fat to fry. As you can see, it has already melted, and I'll need to add my red onions chopped. So in this method, we're not going to fry the onions to golden brown. We only want them to become fragrant. Do not worry about our sufuria, it's not going to burn. I'll show you how. And that's ginger and garlic paste that I've added. So I'll stir that in, then I'll add the tripes. Once we add the tripes, we need to cover so that the vapor will help do away with the browning of the sufuria. After covering for about 5 minutes, that's what's happening at the bottom. So the next thing we're going to add is we'll season our tripes, and for this recipe I'll use dry mixed herbs. Then later on I'll use fresh parsley. So I'm adding in herbs. Remember to also adjust your salt if you had not added any salt while boiling. This is fresh parsley that I'll chop and add. If you don't have parsley, no worries, you can still use coriander, dania. Our normal dania will still do. So this is done now and ready to serve. And this recipe, personally, I enjoy it best with ugali and not any other starch. Utamu wa matumbo ni ugali. So for this second recipe, we're going to fry our onions to golden brown, and we only need a little oil for that. Once it starts to brown from afar, we'll add chopped garlic. That's chopped garlic. So we'll stir this until it's all golden brown before we add our tripes. So we'll cover this again and let the steam do its magic. This step has allowed the fat in the tripes to render, and this is the fat that is going to cook the rest of the things that we'll add. That is tomatoes. These were 3 tomatoes chopped, and we'll also need, I also added a beef cube, not a must, that's optional, and some curry powder. My good people, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and click on the notification bell. I promise you there'll be so much more recipes coming your way. We will finish this with coriander, and once we put the coriander, we just cover and switch off the heat. Coriander just needs to cook in the steam. Isn't that beautiful? Enjoy, guys, and once again, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hope to see you in the next video.